indulge in a mesmerizing journey through 8 resplendent villa living room interiors, each offering an awe-inspiring vista of a private swimming pool. The grandeur of these spaces is seamlessly woven into the great outdoors, crafting a sanctuary that transcends the ordinary. Plush furnishings and premium materials converge, cocooning you in a cocoon of comfort and sophistication that transcends mere luxury. These are not just furnishings, but vessels of complete relaxation, an invitation to unwind in a world that knows no bounds. Crafted with mastery and an artisan's touch, the furniture beckons you to experience the embodiment of serenity. Each piece tells a tale of nature's bounty, as wood seamlessly interlaces with the soul-soothing surroundings, transcending mere material to become an element of solace. Don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in this world of luxury. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating design insights and exclusive tours.